This is the Canva again. Yung date niya is June 4. And so dito tayo sa column for the date. So lagay na lang natin dito 2025. Ayan, so June. And this is June 4. Ayan. June 4. So yung invoice reference number niya, if Canva, ayan, nakita nyo, this is the invoice reference number. Masyadong maliit, but ayan, yan talaga pag ano, you have to do what is available. So ito, 045. So lagay nyo lang dito sa column ng invoice number. That is 045 37 -15 14 7931. Ayan, so same. Ito, dito natin nakuha sa invoice number. So yung supplier natin is, of course, this is the Canva. You can write here, Canva. Tapos yung description niya, you can put it here yung Canva Pro. Pro monthly subscription. Yan. So, may supplier na tayo. So, ano yung entry nito? So, again, naglabas tayo ng cash to pay this one. So, i-credit yung cash ninyo. So, mababawasan yung cash ninyo sa amount na ito. Yung total charge dito is the 300. So, this is already in pesos. So, 300 pesos yung credit natin for the cash. So, lagay natin dito, 300. And the last column again, the decimal. So, walang decimal to. Walang centavos. So, next is, anong expense ba itong Canva? So, mostly, ayan, ito yung expense niyan is, nilagay na lang natin sa marketing and advertising. So, pinag-isa na lang natin yung marketing and advertising. Yan naman yung bulk din ng expense ng isang affiliate. So, again, the amount is 300. Yan. So, tapos na tayo dito. Na-record na natin yung ating first invoice.